Welcome to the Q&A session 40 from the playlist of NEET Physics. The topic is the work done against the friction. The chapter is work, power and energy. So today I have taken one question which was asked in the CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test in the year 2006, and the question is based on this topic, that is the calculation of the work done against the friction. So the question here is 300 joules of work is done in sliding a block of 2 kg up an inclined plane of height 10 meters. The work done against the friction is, so there are 4 options here and we have to find the correct one. So in this question we have to simply use the formula, that is total work done will be equal to the work done against the gravitational force plus the work done against the frictional force in sliding the block up an inclined plane of height 10 meters. So here the total work done is already given to us, which is equal to 300 joules. So 300, and the work done against the gravitational force will be equal to m into g into h, mg into h plus the the work done against the frictional force. The work done against the this frictional force can be written as Wf. So in this question now we have to find the value of mgh, and once we find the value of this work done against the gravitational force, we can easily find the work done against the frictional force. So mgh will be equal to 2 multiplied by g, because we have to take the value of g as 10 meter per second square in this question, and the height of this inclined plane is 10 meters. So m into g into h will be equal to 2 into 10 into 10 plus the work done against the frictional force. So the work done against the frictional force, this is equal to 300 minus 200, and this is equal to 100 joule. So the correct option in here will be the option B, which is equal to 100 joule. So in this question we are supposed to use the formula of the total work done, which will be equal to the work done against the gravitational force plus the work done against the frictional force. So this is the total work done in sliding a block up an inclined plane of certain height. So by using this formula, we were able to find the work done against the frictional force, which is equal to 100 joule. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, the topic will be different, but the chapter will remain the same, that is the work, power and energy. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.